Essentially, what happened?
There was a
There was
point
a point in our relationship where I think he just realized that he wasn't ready
to
to take it to the stage of commitment that
we thought
we thought we were on because he had proposed.
And then
Sino ba minahal mo, Catriona?
Realized that hindi pala siya ready.
So
Sana ako na lang,
that was very
ano?
hurtful for me.
Joke.
And I was really blindsided at the time.
Pero,
And I really tried to make it work.
nabulag ka pala.
So I was willing to adjust because siguro when you love someone, you're willing to
Ano na?
understand them.
Just pa more.
Pero it got to a point na
at
that age and what we've been through, kung hindi ka pa rin sure, I think that's an answer
Hindi pa sure?
already.
Sino ba yan?
That takes courage also for you.
Hindi sa akin pa pwede ang sinasabi mo. One-sided relationship
It was
ako.
one of the hardest things to do, but I realized that I needed to choose myself in that moment.
Dapat ikaw
because I had
magmahal.
already given so much.